If you have a problem sending verification code to your Telegram iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix that problem. First of all, go back to your screen and then go ahead to the main settings. And then basically what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and click cellular, right? And you're going to be able right here to see cellular data options. Click on it, and basically you're going to be able to see right here that an option called data roaming. If you see it above the voice and data, you're gonna be able to turn it on or shut it down. All right, so basically that's one way to fix that problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to the main settings, right, and then go back to your screen. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the settings again, right, scroll a little bit down to the messages. All right, click apps, and then scroll a little bit down to the messages. Click on the messages right here. You basically make sure that your messages is on, right, so people can have access or so you can have access to your own messages. Basically scroll a little bit down to the unknown or spams, right. If you see right here, this is business messages. You're gonna see an option on your iPhone. It's called unknown and spam. Click on the unknown and spam, and then just do not filter the unknown senders, and that should fix your problem, right? If it didn't, you can just go back to your screen and then go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and then you're gonna be able to use VPN in order to change your location. That should fix your problem. Let's find out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.